Welcome to this brief tutorial on the use of the EquatIO equation editor. Simply click the equation editor and start typing. Notice when I type in the word minus, after the first two letters, I get some choices. This is also built into the equation editor. It's EquatIO's predictive text. You can choose from a variety of things that EquatIO will try to interpret that you're typing. So I want minus. And then I could also do the same for the equal sign. Once I'm finished, I click Insert Math, and I can get rid of the equation editor, and my math is on the screen. Anyone who has access to the document, or you want to have access to the document, such as a student assignment, can click the math and edit it. So you can come back and change the statement, or without using the keys, type in again, and then reinsert the math. This works with any math. I can use variables, 5x cubed. Notice I have a choice to say cubed. I could take that back and say exponent. And notice I have a blank cursor waiting for me to type in an exponent. So I could type 4, but notice my cursor is still next to the 4. I'll need to use my arrow keys to the right to get down from the exponent level to the regular text level. If I want to go back to edit the exponent, I simply use the left arrow key, use backspace, and type in a new exponent. Remember to keep typing. You want to hit the right arrow key to come back down to the next level. Plus, and I hit enter to select 4x, and I can say squared and choose the squared exponent. I can insert this math, move to a new line, and I'll insert some new math. You can also do vertical addition, subtraction, or multiplication. We can do this by typing in addition, and we can see there's 2-digit or 3-digit vertical. Notice there's space left to do some of the work as well. So I can type in something like 134, and I'm using the arrow keys to navigate, plus 57. I could ask this of students. I could say, students, here's your assignment, please solve the problem. Student could click the problem and say edit math and show. Or as a teacher, you could show what this looks like. So I will go ahead and continue to solve. So this is 11. I know I'm going to need to carry. So now I have 1 plus 3 plus 5, which is 9. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So my final answer should be 191. Insert the math, and it shows all the work as well as the solution. In the equation editor, there's more options. So in this, we can see that there are symbols. If we scroll down, you can see more symbols. Notice there's a fraction template. Simply says a divided by b. I can use my arrow keys to go and change those values. Using backspace, I can type in numbers, variables, or both. Under the more options, there's also layout. There's also formulas. I can search, such as same thing I could do with the symbols and the layout. Let's type in perimeter. And notice I get perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a square. I could use that formula. I could even say I use that formula a lot. I'm going to add it to my favorites. Okay, and I can insert the math. The formulas are also editable, so as a student, A student could go search the formula and then fill it in. If they knew the sides of their square were 5, could simply say 4 times 5 and change the perimeter to 20. You can even add units. Let's say we had meters, so this could be 20 meters. And notice I have one equation right next to another one that I've entered, so I can use my arrow keys and just separate them, move them around wherever I need to in the document. Thank you for looking at the equation editor.